If you're over 40 and looking for ways to build passive income streams, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to supplement your retirement or just make a life a little more comfortable, I'm going to tell you more than 6 proven side hustles that you can earn passive income, no matter what your experience level is. So stay tuned and grab a coffee and take some notes. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with number 1, which is real estate investing or rental properties. Real estate is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income, especially for those over 40. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of income month after month. It might take some upfront investments, but once you secure tenants, the income largely becomes rather passive. For beginners, I recommend to consider starting with a simple single family home or a duplex. You don't need to manage everything yourself. You can hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks like collecting rent and dealing with maintenance issues. This allows you to focus on growing your portfolio while the income rolls in. One example is the BRRRR method buy, which is buy, rehab, rent, refinance and repeat, which lets you scale your investments over time without putting down large amounts of money every time. I recommend to start small, learn the process and build from there. Let's now move on to number 2, which is dividend investing. Dividend investing is a straightforward way to generate passive income without much active involvement. By purchasing stocks that regularly pay dividends, you can receive quarterly payouts just for holding shares in certain companies. This makes it a perfect strategy for those who don't have the time to manage the daily operations of a business. I recommend to start by looking for blue chip stocks companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, which have a history of consistent dividends. A key tip is to reinvest your dividends initially, allowing you to compound your returns over time. After a few years, those small payouts can grow into a significant income. A great example is Warren Buffett, who heavily relies on dividend income for his investments. The best part, you can start small even with a few $100s and build your portfolio over time. Let's now move on to number 3, which is creating digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses or templates can provide long-term passive income. Once the product is created, it can be sold again and again with minimal ongoing effort. The beauty of this side hustle is that it leverages your expertise and your knowledge, which is particularly valuable after 40, as you've likely gained some specialised knowledge. I recommend to consider platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host and sell your online products. For example, if you've worked in marketing for 20 years, you can create an online course teaching small businesses how to grow their audience. This allows you to earn from your knowledge while helping others. One of the best things about digital products is the low upfront cost. With minimal overhead, you can start small and then scale as you see success. I recommend to keep optimizing your product and let it sell itself. Let's now move on to number 4, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products and services. This side hustle can be highly passive once you've built an audience or created a platform like a blog or YouTube channel. Over time, as you build trust with your audience, you can recommend products and services that are relevant to their needs. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you can promote exercise and workout equipment or supplements through affiliate links on your blog. Platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank make it very easy to find products to promote. Each time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you will get paid. An easy way to start is by reviewing products that you already use. Honest recommendations can build trust, leading to more sales and more passive income down the line. Let me now give you number 5, which is peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending involves lending your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on the loan, generating passive income over time. This is a great option if you want to diversify your income streams beyond traditional stock market investments. One strategy is to spread your investments across multiple loans to reduce the risk. For instance, instead of lending $1,000 to one borrower, you could lend $100 to 10 different borrowers. This way, if one loan defaults, you still have income from the others. While there is some risk involved, the returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts or CDs. P2P lending can be a great addition to your passive income portfolio after 40, especially if you're looking for an alternative to stocks or real estate. Let's now move on to number 6, which is renting out storage space. If you have extra space at home like a garage or a basement, you can rent it out for storage. Platforms like Neighbour or Sparefoot make it easy to connect with people who need extra space for their belongings. This can be a low maintenance passive income stream that doesn't require much effort beyond the initial setup. Think of it like Airbnb but for storage. Instead of tenants, you're storing other people's items. This is especially appealing if you live in a city or high demand area where storage space is at a premium. Renting out storage can easily bring in an extra $100 to $300 a month. You can even scale this side hustle by purchasing additional storage units or investing in a warehouse. Many retirees have turned this into a full-blown business, enjoying completely passive income while providing a much needed service. Let me now give you number 7, which is blogging or vlogging. Blogging or vlogging can turn into a passive income stream, especially after 40, when you have life experiences and expertise to share. It takes time to grow, but once you build a loyal audience, you can monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. I recommend to start by creating content around your passions. For example, if you've spent years in the corporate world, a blog about career development or personal finance could attract an audience. As your content ranks higher in search engines like Google or gains more followers, ad revenue and affiliate marketing can start to provide passive income. One real-world example is Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income, who started his blog to help others build online businesses. Now it earns him 6 figures annually through passive income streams like affiliate marketing and ads. Let's now move on to number 8, which is self-publishing on Amazon or KDP. If you've ever dreamed of writing a book, self-publishing through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP is an easy and accessible way to make passive income. Whether it's a novel, a how-to guide, or a book about your personal experiences, once it's published, it can generate royalties for years. You don't need to be a professional writer to succeed. For example, if you've worked in sales for decades, you could write a short guide on mastering sales techniques. Many successful authors on KDP simply write about what they know and market their books on social media or through their blogs. The key is to keep producing new content. One book may not make much, but with a portfolio of different titles, the royalties can start adding up to a nice stream of passive income. Let's now move on to number 9, which is selling stock photography or videos. If you have a passion for photography or videography, you can sell your images and your clips on stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. This is perfect if you're into travel or capturing unique moments. The beauty of this side hustle is that once your photos or videos are uploaded, they can be sold repeatedly, generating passive income over time. I recommend to start by focusing on high demand niches like business, nature, or technology. For example, photos of diverse people working in an office environment or drone footage of a city skyline can sell really well. The more that you upload, the more chances you have of earning from your content. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Even smartphone cameras today can produce stock quality images. Over time, as you build a portfolio, your earnings will grow with little to no ongoing effort. Let me now give you number 10, which is creating a print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand is a great side hustle for passive income because you don't need to handle any inventory, shipping, or even product creation. With platforms like Printful or Redbubble, You can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs and posters, and the platform will print and ship them whenever someone makes a purchase. This business model allows you to focus on creating designs which can be as simple or as complex as you like. For example, a simple motivational quote on a t-shirt can resonate with many people. You can also target specific niches such as health and fitness, pets or hobbies to stand out in the market. Once your designs are up and running, they can continue selling with minimal intervention from you. I recommend to promote your products on social media or through paid ads, and you can generate a consistent stream of passive income over time. Let's now move on to number 11, which is renting out equipment. If you own specialised equipment like cameras, power tools or even lawn care machinery, you can rent it out to others who need it on a temporary basis. This side hustle allows you to make money from items that you already own but don't necessarily use all the time. Websites like Loanables make it very easy to list your gear and connect with renters. For example, if you own a high-end DSLR camera but only use it for vacations or special events, renting it out to amateur photographers or hobbyists could bring in a steady stream of passive income. Similarly, if you have a power drill or lawnmower that sits idle for most of the year, there's a good chance someone in your area would pay to borrow it. This side hustle works best when you're strategic about the type of equipment that you list. High demand items, especially those that are expensive to buy but very useful for short-term projects, are the ideal. With proper care and a solid rental agreement, you can generate passive income with minimal effort. Okay, so there you have it, 11 powerful side hustle ideas that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.